Hello guys, today I talk about computer hardware components. Okay, let's go to the video. Computer hardware component. Uh, I have list below. First one, motherboard, CPU, keyboard, mouse, RAM, monitor, floppy drive, CD-ROM drive, hardware disk drive, DVD drivers. You can see here system board components one by one. Floppy drive connector, ID drive connector, DVD drive connector, connector panel connector, control panel connector, and standby power light, internal speaker, and likewise you can see here. Motherboard. In this picture you can see a complex motherboard. Control. Now I speak in control processing unit. The microprocessor consists of three sections. First one, arithmetic logic unit. Second one, registers. Third one, control unit. Motherboard. What is the meaning of motherboard and how to do it? Okay. Main circuit board inside your computer is called a motherboard. The motherboard contains the connectors for attaching additional board such as the CPU, BIOS, memory, mask, storage, interface, serial and parallel ports, expansion slots, and all the controllers that are required to control standard. Peripheral devices such as the display screen, keyboard, and hard drive. Here we see a diagram and a photo of a motherboard. This one is suitable for a platinum CPU. PCI slots. PCI slots. This board has 4 slots for the never CPI board for peripherals like video card, sound card, internal modems, and etc. This is a PCI slot 1, 2, 3, 4. Memory slot. Memory slots. There are 4 short slots for SIMS memory. This board has 2 long slots for a new kind of memory called DIMM RAM. Motherboard. Keyboard plug. This is where the keyboard attaches to the back of the computer. Power connections. This is where the power supply connects to the motherboard. Processor socket. What is visible here is the place where the processor plugs into the motherboard. When the processor is installed, you still can't see it because on top of it is a heat sink and fan to keep the processor cool. Hot processors make mistakes or even melt important parts of the chip. Different processors are different sizes, so the socket of the motherboard has to match of the processor. Also, the circuit in the motherboard itself must be different for different processors. RAM. RAM or random access memory is a type of memory that accesses faster than main memory, but that only stores data while the computer is turned on. It is normally used to store the program that your computer is currently running and any data that program needs. RAM is divided into small blocks of data, each of which can be accessed by unique number called an address. Monitor. The computer screen is used for outputting information is an understandable format. Floppy drive. Storage device. How it saves data and program. Hard disk drive are an internal higher capacity drive which also stores the operating system which runs when you power on the computer. Floppy disk drives allow you to save work on small disk and take the data with you. You can see here feature floppy disk. Discuss floppy disk speed very slow, capacity normally 1.44 megabyte, cost very cheap, very cheap. Extra features you can see here. Hard disk speed very fast, capacity enormous, often 40 and 80 gigabytes. A gigabyte is equivalent